How to know how many hours I've used my phone. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily know your screen time or how many hours have you used your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to this channel. So let's jump right in. It might be different depending on the device you have, but the overall idea is the same. The first thing you do is open up your phone settings. Now scroll down a bit until you find something called digital well-being or something along that line. Just tap on it and you will see your screen time right here. Now, as you can see here, my screen time today is 4 hours. So it was mostly Instagram. So you can just tap on it and see specifically what kind of app you are using. So if you tap on apps, it will show you the apps based on what you have used today and time of your apps as well. So I've mostly used Instagram today, so that consumed majority of my screen time today. So yeah, that's how you check your screen time on your phone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.